RealCare Baby comes dressed in a two-piece outfit. Pink for female, blue for male. They are anatomically correct, male and female. They weigh roughly around 8 pounds. They are about 21 to 22 inches long and smell a little bit like baby powder. They come in 6 different skin tones, and they have sensors throughout the body that react to how the students are performing with the baby. There are sensors in the head that can detect when the baby is being fed, when the head is not supported, or if there has been a shaken baby. There are sensors in the body that can detect movement for when the baby is being burped and rocked or even rough handled. There are sensors that can detect the ambient temperature, what clothing is being worn throughout the simulation, and if you have the car seat and car seat detection kit, it can detect when the baby is in the car seat. There are sensors in the body that can also react to loud noises and when the student is talking to the baby, and there's even sensors for tummy time. The babies are also rechargeable and plug into a recharger that comes with the babies. Each baby includes a two-piece outfit, one set of color-coded diapers, one green patch and one yellow patch, a sleeper, and a bodysuit. Each article of clothing has a sensor sewn into the clothing that the baby can detect what articles of clothing are being worn throughout the simulation. The clothing is machine washable, use cold, gentle cycle, and line dry is best, but if you do use the dryer, make sure that the dryer is set to low or to air fluff. The sensors in the clothing is just a single wire transmitter that's encased in plastic. So if your dryer is set too high, the heat of the dryer may damage the sensor. So again, the clothing is machine washable, use cold, gentle cycle. Line dry is best just because it reduces wear and tear, but if you do use the dryer, make sure that the dryer is set to low or to air fluff. The diapers that come with the baby, there's a green patch and a yellow patch. It does not matter what diaper the baby is wearing when the simulation begins, but make sure the student has one green diaper and one yellow diaper. Do not send two of the same colored diapers home with the student. They will be unable to change the diapers. So make sure when the student leaves that they have one green diaper and one yellow diaper. The baby also includes a student ID, which you activate by pressing down on the face of the ID, and then a blue light will appear. The ID will be active for 10 days, and you can always check the status of the ID to see if it's on just by pressing and releasing real quick, and a blue light will appear and flicker to indicate that it is on. Each baby also comes with 5 wristbands. The wristbands slide underneath the wristband and attach to the student's wrist. When you are attaching the wristband to the student's wrist, make sure there is about a finger width distance apart between the wrist and the wristband. That way it's not too tight that it cuts off circulation, or it's too loose where they can just pull the wristband off. The wristbands are a one and done, so once the simulation is over with, you would cut the wristband off and attach the new one. Additional wristbands can be purchased from our website or by contacting our account services. The baby also comes with a bottle. The tip of the bottle is a magnet, which reacts to a magnetic sensor that's behind the lips of the baby. When the baby needs a feeding, the student would put the bottle to the baby's lips. Baby will recognize the magnet and start making a suckling sound. The nipple of the bottle is rubber, does not contain any latex, and there is no latex in the baby or in any of the accessories. But not uncommon that over time that the rubber nipple were to flick off, peel off, or be chipped away, sometimes just by use from the students, and would expose the magnet. As long as you can pick up a metal paper clip with the tip of the bottle is fine to send home. And also the baby comes with a rattle toy. This is used to interact with the baby during playtime. Depending upon your order, the baby will come with either a single charger or of orders of 5 babies or more would either come with a 5 baby charger, which allows you to split up to 5 babies or 5 individual chargers. There is the RealCare Baby accessory bundle. This is an optional purchase. This optional accessory package includes a diaper bag, a tummy time blanket, and a car seat infant carrier with car seat detection kit. The car seat infant carrier is designed only for the RealCare Baby, and it should never be used for an actual infant. So if your students were to have a baby brother or a baby sister, they should never be put in the car seat. It is designed only for the RealCare Baby. The car seat detection kit is placed inside the car seat carrier. You would just pull back the foam, and there are two tags to attach to the car seat, one on the left side, one on the right side, and they would attach right where the baby's shoulder blades touch against the car seat. There's a peel-off adhesive on the back of the tags. Put the tags, attach them to the plastic of the car seat, and then you can put the car seat cover back on. The car seat detection kit does come with instructions, and at the bottom of the first page of the car seat detection kit instructions is a link to a follow-along video. The car seat detection kit responds to the baby, and the baby can report back to the instructor how long the baby had been in the car seat as opposed to being in the baby's arms. There are two tags, one for the left side, one for the right, so if the baby is not strapped in and shifts from side to side, the baby would still recognize that it is in the car seat. If this is your very first time purchasing the RealCare Baby, you will want to have purchased the RealCare Starter Kit. The RealCare Starter Kit has the link that comes with the Control Center software, the participant care video, and a set of 2 downloadable curriculum. Once you have this kit, you do not need to purchase this again. Or if you already have an existing RealCare program, you would not need to purchase this kit as you would already have the Control Center software. It would also come with an instructor key, and the purpose of the instructor key is just to remove the baby's battery cover. It is a universal key, and it will be able to open up all RealCare Babies. It is the same key that has been in use since 1999. And it also comes with a quick start guide. The quick start guide, at the bottom of the very first page of the quick start guide, is the link to the RealCare downloads, and also comes with some quick programming instructions on how to operate the baby.